Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking financing and confirming the exit plan. Choose hard money or a rehab loan based on timeline. Once done, run comps to set ARV and acceptable purchase price. Use the 70% rule as a sanity check. Immediately order inspections so you know structural, pest, and systems priorities. This tells you what to fix first and where to allocate that 10-20% contingency, making early trade-offs faster and less costly. You start the middle phase with selective demolition. Remove rot and non-salvageable finishes while protecting sound framing. Next, sequence the big-ticket systems, roof, foundation, windows, electrical, and plumbing, because these affect safety and resale value. Fix the envelope before insulating and drywall. Make sure to pull permits and schedule inspections as you go, since passing municipal checks prevents costly rework. Once those systems pass, you'll clear the way for efficient finishing. You finish by installing neutral finishes and reliable fixtures that maximize perceived value without overspending. Once done, stage key rooms and capture professional photos to drive offers. Set a competitive listing price using updated comps and your actual costs. Make sure to time inspections and disclosures to avoid closing delays. If offers underperform, use one troubleshooting tip. Drop price modestly or convert to rental while addressing minor cosmetic objections quickly to salvage return on investment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.